Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can post video in your Threads app. Open the Threads app in your mobile device and then go to the edit or write button in the bottom of your screen and click on it. There you can see a function of gallery. Press on it, press on manage, click on select all photos and allow. You can choose one of your videos and which will appear in this page. Click on it, press done. You can write whatever you want and then post it. Wait for a while as the video is of high quality. It will take some time. Keep your patience and your video will be uploaded shortly. After the video has been uploaded, it will be shown and you can view it. This is how you can post videos in your Threads account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.